Hi, today in front of you VIVO Y22S and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now just by by press and hold to the down bottom button, we can turn on or turn off the flashlight. But if you want to change it, for example, to open just any apps or another options, just you should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, then click to quick action and just watch your currently option to, for example, to record or to open the camera, Facebook, or just any another applications what you get on your phone. For example, let's use the camera. So now just let's lock our phone and press and hold down volume button, and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.